In this tutorial, we will understand how to solve a problem or do typing that face in Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. So let's start. Open Photoshop and select Create Your Page and size it with respect to your work and select a type tool. But there is something wrong. So let's solve the problem. Now go to Edit and then Preference, then General, and its shortcut key is Ctrl+K. And then type and check Latin to another one. But there is again wrong. So restart Adobe Photoshop, then solve your problem. Then you see its type is to perfectly. Now, this problem solved in Adobe Photoshop. Now, go to in Adobe Illustrator. You see there is the same problem. So let's solve the problem. Now go to Edit and then Preference, then General, and its shortcut key is Ctrl+K. And then type and check TO Indic. So restart Adobe Photoshop, then solve your problem. If you understand my tutorial is helpful to you, so subscribe to my channel. Then you see its type is to perfectly. It's done. Thank you for watching.